I'm standing and riding.
Am I going on the right path?
I'm very scared of monkeys. I'm very scared. I'm half alive, half dead right now. Carol, this is so refreshing. Wow! Kya? Megha just fell here. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's a Sunday today, it's a weekend. I'm all ready because we are going cycling today. So we're going to Sanjay Gandhi National Park, which is in Borivali. We have been planning to go cycling since forever, but because of the weather we're not able to go. But today it seems like it's sunny, so we thought why not just seize the opportunity and go cycling. I'm going with my friends Megha and Neha. Anyway, I will just finish getting ready. Where is my perfume? Yeah, I'm all ready. I'm not going to look like this by the end of the cycling for sure, but I really love cycling, and also cycling is good for fitness, so I think we're going to have a lot of fun. Okay, so they are here.
Hi, no focus.
This is Megha.
Hello.
And that's Neha, and we are finally going
Cycling. The sun is out and we are gonna be out too.
Okay, so we'll see you guys there. So we can get bikes and cycles from here. The sky is very clear today, so it's the best time to cycle, but there are a lot of people here, Sunday is always packed. So this is the ticket window here where you get your ticket. So we have our journey, and I know I cannot shoot with one hand, so I'm showing you guys the Nazara of the sky. Hi! Megha, say something!
So basically ওরা যে তোকে টাকাটা নিয়েছে যে প্লাস্টিক নিয়ে যাচ্ছি. No, they didn't see.
Say hi, Megha.
Hi.
Are you tired already?
No. Do I look tired?
No, you don't. Okay, we still have a long way, so let's go. I'm standing and riding so that I can be seen a little in the frame. But the weather is quite good. You can see the sky, it's clear, it's blue. This area is sunny.
Am I going on the right path?
What?
Am I on the right path?
Yeah.
Why is it so sunny? Where is Neha?
It's sunny suddenly here. There's a bus. Where's Neha? Is that Neha?
Yeah. Neha frame in kar raha
Oh,
hai.
Neha. That's Neha. The monkeys were fighting. Look at the monkeys here. I'm very scared of monkeys.
Yeah.
This place has such a cool breeze coming. So we thought why not
Wow.
take a rest here. Look at my halat. I'm all red. कितनी थकी है मेघा बता?
I can keep going.
Megha is loving it. We just crossed 1 kilometer. Now 1.600 kilometer. There's a bus coming, so I have to stop. I'm very scared. Now we can go. I'm already very tired.
We'll take the right and see where it goes.
We'll go inside there. Let's see.
Huh.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
This place is quite empty. We found this road. Wait, Megha! जा जा तुम लोग जाओ। यार क्या अच्छा लग रहा है स्काई। तुम लोग जाकर आओ। I'm so tired. The road is so steep that we had to walk. Megha was still trying. Say something, Megha. I can record everything.
Can you not hear my breath on the mic?
I'm half alive, half dead right now. मेरी हालत खराब है. Okay, let's. I hope I don't fall. The roads are quite bad here. We'll have some curry now. कितना दीदी एक प्लेट?
Let's go home, I'm hungry.
We are going home. Curry. It's so good. Wow. कैसा है? Good. शुगर मतलब कम डालना. How is it, Megha?
I don't know about the water. If I fall sick, but it's really tasty.
You know, we should see yourself right now. Oh, Neha is the only one who's looking like tip top right now. Sachi.
Look at her cheeks red.
वही ना, it's all like natural blush. दीदी नींबू पानी कितने का एक ग्लास? 20 का. This is actually good. This is so refreshing. Whoever is coming to Sanjay Gandhi, I would legit recommend come to this stop and drink this nimbu pani. This is something that we have never seen. This is called jungle ka gai. Look at the pooch. We don't have any pooch. So we're done eating. Now we are going back from here. You can see we were eating here and now we'll go back from there. All refreshments done. Feeling energized. Let's go. There is a village here that we cross. It's very nice. Feels very not Bombay. Megha and Neha have already gone ahead and I'm just catching up. I was stuck making this frame, but I'm loving it. Wow! Look at the sky, guys. It's really beautiful here. I think the best time to come here is, of course, monsoon. Megha, I got such a good shot. Come. Kya? How?
I tried to dodge this gadda and I fell.
Are you serious? Where did you fall?
Where is the water? Do you have it?
Yeah, wait. Huh? Oh God. इधर उल्टी हुई.
लग रहा है कि होगा. Just put it here, not on the wound.
We don't even have tissue, no? Show. Megha just fell here. Here, no? Oh my God, I have to get your cycle right. यहाँ गिरी तू ये वाले होल में. Oh, there's a hole here. God. Megha will have to go in this auto now. It's okay, it's for your own good. I don't think you can ride your cycle anymore. बेचारी Megha. Okay, चल तू बैठ जा पहले.
But you guys have to put the cycle.
या मैं डाल दूंगी, आप जाओ.
हाँ.
चल जाके बैठ.
Give me my bag. I can't fold my leg now, so I have to go in the auto.
लगा है तेरे नी पे भी पक्का.
फट गया.
We just sent Megha in a auto. She met with an accident. Now we're going and we'll see her there. So I'm returning back. Megha and others have gone in one auto because they are roommates. I'm going alone. It has been a fun day, but I wish Megha didn't go through what she went through.
नहीं चाहिए मैडम, नहीं चाहिए, प्लीज नहीं चाहिए, बाहर जाओ। क्यों
I'm
परेशान है संडे?
tired. Look at me. How am I looking? I'm all right. This one, आराम से घर पे बैठ के. So I'm back. It was a fun day, tiring day, and we had a very unexpected ending to the day. I hope Megha is doing fine. She met with an accident and she was not really doing good. So I will have to ask her, might have to visit her. I hope she will do fine soon. And I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I tried my best. I know a few of the shots were not great. I couldn't get great shots. And you should also go to Sanjay Gandhi if you're in Bombay and if you love cycling. Till then, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will be back. Bye!